How to increase stamina in running? If you've been jogging for years or are just starting out, most people are always searching for ways to run faster and feel good. Even though you're not a professional athlete, there are a few brilliant ways to boost your running endurance. It's frustrating to feel like your body can't go on while you're in the middle of a race. But you don't have to be a marathon runner to boost your stamina. A few small habits can go a long way, particularly if you're just getting started. Before you start focusing on improving your running endurance, you should assess your existing aerobic base and improve on it. Before further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Number 5. Always be consistent. There really is no easy solution for increasing running stamina. You must be consistent in order to get the desired results. There are no shortcuts when it comes to learning how to develop endurance. Daily training helps the body to adjust to the amount of effort you're putting forward. Let's presume you're new to running and want to learn how to improve your endurance. Have a weekly timetable that includes running longer and farther and stick to it. Consistent exercise can improve your muscles while also increasing your aerobic ability. Number 4. Run long but slow. If you want to go faster, you'll have to run faster. You can add 5 to 10 minutes to a long run. It does not seem to be much, but it soon adds up. When preparing for a half marathon or a marathon, your long run can be 30 to 50% of your average weekly mileage. Run the long run at a slow, steady pace. Often, people attempt to run their long runs too quickly and struggle to finish strongly. Slow down and concentrate solely on completing the distance. Keep in mind that pace comes after stamina. Number 3. Have some cross-training. Do something that really makes you huff and puff and pushes you out of your comfort zone, while relieving your bones and joints of the impact of running. It will not only improve your cardiorespiratory ability, but it will also help you avoid overuse injuries. Cross-training isn't the first option if you're a die-hard runner like me. When learning how to improve stamina, it's easy to concentrate only on running. But this has a significant effect on your legs and whole body. Cross-training also has a lot of endurance-building advantages. Incorporate a couple of the following exercises into your fitness routine 1 or 2 times per week. It doesn't matter whether you're riding outside or doing an indoor spin class. It'll get your heart racing. Swimming laps is also beneficial for sore muscles. Exercise on the elliptical and Tabata exercises. Number 2. Eat healthy food. The foods you consume have a major impact on your strength and toughness. Your body just won't have what it wants to run farther and maximize endurance if you aren't eating good, balanced food. First and foremost, make sure you're getting adequate nutrition. Running consumes a lot of calories, which is something that most athletes appreciate. And if you're trying to lose weight, you'll need enough calories to get through your run and the rest of your day. If you don't consume enough carbohydrates before exercising, you'll run out of energy sooner, which will result in a mediocre workout. However, you should avoid eating too much before working out to avoid gastrointestinal distress. Number 1. Focus on your breathing. It's not about yoga. Focusing on your breathing will make you move faster. Changing your breathing pattern while running can help you relax, feel more energetic, and run longer. When running becomes difficult, often people fail to breathe or speed up their breathing. When you run harder, you need to breathe faster as well. Holding your breath causes the energy in your cells to plummet, causing you to get fatigued after your exercise earlier than normal. And that's all for today. It's vital to note that seeing progress requires time when you work to develop your running stamina. It's a good way to start by showing up, sticking to a schedule, and being consistent with your workouts. When you're about to step up your game, the strategies and tactics mentioned in the video will help you perform higher, move quicker, and last longer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and ring the notification bell button for our latest video updates. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time with more amazing videos.